Looking for a versatile power tool that cuts, sands, scrapes, and more? All in one compact package? The DEWALT DCS356C1 Oscillating Tool might just be what your toolbox is missing. In this video, I'll break down the features, performance, real-world use, and whether this 20-volt MAX XR tool still delivers value in 2025. What's in the box? You're getting a complete starter kit. Inside the box is the DCS356 Oscillating Tool, 120-volt max lithium-ion battery, a charger, 2 different blades, a universal accessory adapter, and a handy carrying bag. That means you can cut, sand, or scrape without running back to the hardware store for extra parts. Key feature and performance. The DCS356C1 is built with a brushless motor, giving it up to 57% more runtime compared to brushed competitors, perfect for extended tasks. You'll also get a 3-speed selector so you can match tool speed to your project, a dual-grip variable speed trigger for total control, the quick change accessory system, which means you can swap blades without a wrench, a universal accessory adapter that works with most third-party blades, and a bright onboard LED that lights up dark or awkward workspaces. The power source? A 20-volt max lithium-ion battery included in the kit and compatible with other DEWALT 20-volt tools. Real-world usage. In actual use, this tool excels at precision work, especially in finish carpentry, drywall cutouts, or detailed trim work. It's also great for flush cuts, sanding, and even light demolition. The dual grip trigger makes it easier to control speed while maintaining a firm hold, which is especially helpful during delicate cuts. And at just 3 pounds, it's lightweight enough for overhead work or extended use without fatigue. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful brushless motor, better performance and runtime. Quick blade changes without tools. Works with most oscillating accessories. Great ergonomics and control. Bright LED for working in low light. Cons: comes with only 2 blades. Extras may be needed depending on your task. 1 battery included. Might need a backup for bigger jobs. Not the cheapest option, but you're paying for DEWALT quality. So, is the DEWALT DCS356C1 Oscillating Multi-Tool kit still worth it in 2025? If you're after a versatile cordless multi-tool with premium control and runtime, then yes, it absolutely holds up. Whether you're a DIYer, remodeler, or tradesperson, this tool earns its spot in your kit. You'll find the link in the description below if you're ready to check current prices or grab one for yourself.